Here with another unboxing, straight from Target. I have the Apple Watch. Now, I actually got a pretty good deal on this since I work at Target. I was able to use my 10% member discount as well as the 5% discount from the Target Red Card that they offered. Also, I price matched it to Walmart, so I was able to bring it down to around $100. Here's the actual watch itself. Here's the band. Okay, let's open this. There we are. Some paperwork. The watch. Look at that. This is actually my first Apple Watch, and geez, this is pretty small. I actually got the biggest one, the 45 millimeter. It also comes with the 41 millimeter, I believe. I don't know, even though this is the biggest one, this still looks pretty small to me. But I guess it's just from me not having it. Paperwork, you know, basic stuff. Charger too. I actually heard that the charger is a lot faster this time around. I believe it's because of the USB Type-C, which is the same on the new iPhones that have been shipping out. Okay, put that to the side. Now let me get the strap. Actual Apple Watch strap. If I can get this open. Okay. Oh, there's two in here. This is that nice. Oh, one of them's just a smaller size, I guess. I have a pretty decent sized wrist, so I guess I'll just go with the bigger one this time. If I can get this out. Okay, there you go. The wrist straps. Okay, let me just connect this to the Apple Watch. Okay. Now let me just turn this on. There it is. Apple Watch Series 7. And I'll be right back once I get this all set up. All right, that took longer than expected, but I do have it all set up. Wallpaper and all, as you can see. And I'm actually pretty surprised about the screen because it looks real, like, expanded, you know? Other Apple Watches I've seen, like the Series 3, I think, that one, like, is just like a boxy type screen, but this one's literally all around, which I do appreciate. I did not mean to activate Siri. Okay. But yeah, I'm pretty excited to use this, mainly for like workouts and stuff. Yeah, Apple Watch Series 7. Here it is. And thanks for watching. I will probably be making a review after like a week or so of using this. But yeah, bye.